right here. Oh, yeah. Come on, gather up in front here. Right over there, there's steps up there, honey. You should have one of those tough guys put you on their shoulder.
I'm doing a picture for the group that I do every year. Do you mind?
How you guys doing?
I know, but that's the group picture I did. I do it every year. Come on. Yeah, your family. Plus, there's a special song that's going to be sang.
The back.
I don't care. The family's right there. Tell them. Start screaming.
It's going to be a dedication to Colin Kaepernick. I asked him to do.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you know what? We're gonna send this one out to the NFL. All right, because we're all standing, right? What's that NFL player that wouldn't stand for America?
Colin Kaepernick. Boo!
What is that guy's name? Kaepernick. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Because, you know, ladies and gentlemen, this is America right here. That's right. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight all the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, sing us that star-spangled banner.